to be doing a video on how to do the brake pads for your car. This is for a Nissan. As you can see, a Nissan. Which bolts would I need to take off if I'm going to do it?
You got to take that one off.
Which one?
And that one. Those two. That one.
That one.
And that one.
Okay. And then that's it. That's all you have to do.
Yeah. But you got to be careful because that's solid.
It's solid. What do you mean? Oh,
that
yeah.
one there is solid, so you'd have to be careful. Take out this thing here.
Yeah, that little...
That there. Pull this out and pull that out and just pop them out of there.
Okay. What about the pit? Is there like any pistons or whatever?
Yeah, well, you just got to push your pistons back. So you got to get something, lever something in there to push your piston back before you take them out. Otherwise, you won't get your next ones in there because they'll be bigger.
Okay. And that's pretty much it for the front one. I'm pretty happy that the friggin... So really, you just have to undo that.
No, well, you got to...
Yeah, I know that, like, because they're holding the pads
yeah,
in.
but you got that thing there goes through the eye of them.
So you have to take out the little wire pin thing there. Then you have to take out that bolt there, and you have to take out that bolt there, and then you can slip them out, but you got to make sure you have something levered in there first. So all you would have to do, yeah, all you would have to do is basically take that little bolt off down there, and then lift it up, and then you can slip these out. That's all you would need to do.